In this tutorial, we're going to talk about inviting other users to a XHANDU session. So, once you're signed into XHANDU and you have created a session or joined a session, you'll see that the rest of these features in the toolbar become available. Now these invite, chat, draw, files, sites, sync, and manage are only available when you are in a session. So we're in a session right now that you saw we created in our last tutorial, but we want to go ahead and invite other users to the session. So how we do that is we go to the invite button, which is located right here. We go ahead and click on that, and that takes us to the invite these users to, and it tells you the session that you are in. So that's tutorial 5. Now there's a couple things that we can do here. Here you see the My Invitees group. This is the default group that's created within XHANDU. If you want to change the name of that default group, you simply go to Sessions, Settings, and change name for Main Invite Group. And you can change it to Tutorial Group or whatever it is that you want to change it to. Then you go back into your session, the tutorial 5 session, go back to the invite page, and you'll see now that our default group name is tutorial group. Now you're able to have many different groups available to you. If you're the head of a department that has multiple teams or multiple projects running at a time that involve different users, you can create a new group and call that group Project 1, Project 2, or per client, or however you organize things within your organization. And then you can add users to these groups. Now how you do that is if you know their usernames, or you put in their email, so it can be whatever they are, jim@jim.com. You can just invite this single user if you want just to the session by simply clicking the invite button. If it's an email, it's going to send an invite to that user's email box. It will also send an invite to their sessions inbox page. Or if you're adding names, you can add this email to one of your groups. Now what's important to know, what you're seeing here is that jim@jim.com is not a user of XHANDU. So you'll be notified, which is helpful, so you know that the notifications are going to the users that you want. So I think it's easiest to just use usernames, so you'll know the people that you're inviting by their username, and they will have XHANDU installed on their machine. And then if you're inviting a group, you go ahead and you click the checkbox and click Invite Members, and it invites all selected users. Maybe you have a project that requires multiple people or multiple teams or multiple groups that you have, so you can invite all of them if you would like by selecting these checkboxes. But if you want to just do one group, just make sure that you have one checkbox marked. And you go ahead and invite, and the notifications are sent to those members, and they will receive a notification in this of their profile. So they'll see a line here of the session that they are invited to, and they can just simply click join, and they will join you in the session.